Session we will talk about the presbyopic addition find out by the cross cylinder method, right? Just simply look at here what we have to do. Just we have to do first, simply keep the patient 4 to 5, right, horizontal and vertical bar. This is a target, right? Give the patient. Now question is here, what we have to do? We already know the patient is presbyopic. Then first we have to correct the distance, right? After the correction of distance, it might be possibility patient is unable to fixate, or this is target is not visible for the patient. What you have to do, just simply give the sufficient plus, not more than, just give the sufficient plus, right? Sufficient plus to make this target visible, right? Now you can calculate the additional power. Now you may ask here how we calculate. So basically what we have to do, just simple this value. Just suppose you put here +1, right, and patient depict you, this target is visible. What you have to do, just simply put the cross cylinder in front of patient eye plus minus 0.50, right? What is actually calculation? 0.50 minus 1, right? We put this one into the vertical axis, means 90 axis, in front of the patient eye. It might be possibility the distance correction cylinder is not good for the near correcting cylinder. Why? Because it changed their value, it changed the cylinder power. So what you have to do, just simply correct the near cylinder, not for permanently, just temporarily, just find out the additional power. After that you can remove this cylinder value and you prescribe the distance cylinder value. Why? Because the patient is presbyopic, your focus is just to fixate the patient distance correction. Then we, or you as eye care practitioner, simply prescribe the additional value, because this session motto is to discuss about the tentative or find out the tentative presbyopic addition power. So what we have to do, just for a sake, or just for a fraction of second, you just give the exact near distance cylinder form, because when the patient is distance corrected of the cylinder value, might be possibility they are not look exactly both value in the same manner. So we do this one. Now next step what we have to do, after putting one exactly value is visible, then put this one distance correction. If cylinder value is altered, then correct the near cylinder. Then if patient is normal, then they give you all bar horizontal or vertical are visible, sharply clear, crisp. But our assumption is this patient is presbyopic. What they give you, they simply give you, just assume, suppose this is eye, right? I just draw it field again. What patient depict you, this is eye, right? And this one, right? First time patient, when you put the plus minus 0.5 cross cylinder, patient depict the horizontal line is clear. What you have to do, when patient say horizontal is clear, just increase the plus power, right? And if the patient say, I just draw it, the second chance is here, right? If the patient say that one is clear, means vertical is clear, then you have to just reduce the plus power, right? And when both line or both bar is getting clear, it means your additional or tentative presbyopic finding is perfect. So by using this technique we can find out the what is the exact value of this one, right? Now question is here, after giving this, sometime might be possibility patient are getting misunderstand which bar is getting clear, or if they report like this uncertainty, then you again reduce the value. then you got the exact value. I just recap all the series what I say. First we give the patient target. It might be possibility patient don't see visual all the target at a once time. Then we give sufficiently plus power to make it clear, right? After giving plus power, target is getting clear. Then we simply put the plus minus 1 vertical axis 90, right? It might be possibility patient is not visual due to cylinder power, because distance cylinder when coming to the near distance, it might be possibility they getting changed, normally it changed, right? So we have to just put temporarily correct cylinder at the near distance, right? After that we shift into the patient response. If patient say blacker both line, normally if patient say blacker means patient is not presbyopic, but here we already assume the patient is presbyopic. Then we simply shift into the patient according to usual assumption. Patient always complain either vertical or horizontal. If patient see first time report you vertical is more clear, sorry, horizontal is more clear, then we add the plus power, and if say vertical is more clear, then we reduce plus power. Might be possibility sometime patient say certain possibility to confused getting which one is clear, vertical or horizontal, then you also reduce the plus power, right? Or here I want to add a one extra point. It is not always possible one value or one dioptric value say the both values equal. Basically this is not a point, this is a range. Might be possibly 0.75 to 0.5 patient see both values clear. Might be possibility they lies in between this. Might be possibility this is also correct, right? So basically the clearance is the zone, not a point. So thank you.